doing an inspection on the boiler. We had some popping noises from the radiators, and this is the old baby right here. It's got it's a 300,000 BTU in, 240 out. It's got the old regulator, redundant gas valves, and the pilot safety switch here. So it's a standing pilot. Looks like the concrete's buckling underneath this thing, starting to push up on the burners. This is an old low water safety manual or automatic reset type of switch. McDonald Miller fill valve seems to be operating okay, and pieces and parts have been replaced on that. The gauge is working, operating thermostat right here, high limit, and then you've got an old 30 psi blow off here. Where the problem is right up top there on the ceiling. We've got a vent up there that's stuck open, so when this thing builds up steam, it's just blasting steam. It actually made a little hole up in the ceiling right there. Let me see if I can zoom on that. Yeah, right up there. You can see right above it where the steam is shot up, and then, you know, some of this has caused some moisture up in the ceiling. And also this steam line is starting to blow against the gas line right there, and we sure don't want any problem with that. So this needs attention right away. I have not worked on anything here. It's taking an inspection. Recommended repairs would be to replace the steam vent up there, replace all the steam vents on the on all the radiators, air vents, whatever you want to call them. It's been so many years since I worked on old Bertha like this. Burners look okay. They could use a little cleaning. We want to pull them out and clean them. And I also recommend getting rid of this standing pilot system and putting in an electronic ignition with a new gas valve, a retrofit kit rated for 300,000 BTUs, 3/4 inch gas valve, and do away with all this pilot safety and standing pilot and this gas cock here. Replace that with a new one. We also, sight glass is okay. Replace this Honeywell limit control. Also replace this 30 psi blow off valve. Replace the vent up there, as we said. What else? Replace this low water safety switch, repipe it. It's looks like 1/2 inch by 3/8 there or something. You'll have to do something with this. If you could take this fitting apart and do it, that's fine. It might be hard to take apart. If not, you can adapt with the, looks like 3/8 and hard pipe this thing in somehow so it's stable. What else we got? The flue draw is okay. It's piped to a chimney over here along with the domestic. Just be considered. Yeah, it's working pretty good. It's drawing nice. Other than that, it's got a fast fill valve back here, which we got off. So let's get this thing taken care of, or maybe consider some other options for heating in this building. This has been wasting a lot of gas with these with this steam leak down here, because the pressures were dropping down to 0 and water levels were changing. That thing is just acting up and thunking around upstairs. So this thing's probably been running all night, not even heating the place. So we're losing a lot on the PG&E here. All right, talk to you soon. This should be addressed and sealed as well, or abated.